Welcome to Windsor, Ontario, Canada, also known as the City of Roses. This video will provide 10 reasons why people love Windsor.
I was just a glimmer back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back and welcome to Windsor, Ontario, Canada. Population just over 230,000. It sits at the southwestern tip of Ontario. Now here's a map. We have circled Windsor. Now just across the Detroit River is the city of Detroit in the state of Michigan from United States of America. This city will provide 10 reasons why people love Windsor. People love Windsor because of the gambling at Caesars Windsor. It's one of 4 casinos in the Detroit-Windsor area and was opened in 1994 on the waterfront of the Detroit River. The casino overlooks the Detroit skyline from the waterfront. Now, Caesars attracts about 6 million visitors annually. People love Windsor because of the Riverfront Trail and the views of the scenic Detroit River. From the base of the Ambassador Bridge, this paved trail extends east for 5 kilometers along the riverfront. You can enjoy scenic views of the Detroit River. Now, the Windsor Sculpture Park is an outdoor art gallery and it's open all year round, and it features 35 large-scale contemporary sculptures. People love Windsor because of the whiskey. Now, Windsor should be called Whiskey Town, Canada. With global awards and classic and innovative spirits flowing, Windsor-made whiskey is having a renaissance. The city became a hotspot during the U.S. Prohibition in the 1920s when Canadian spirits illicitly crossed the Detroit River to satisfy thirsty Americans, and since then Windsor has helped make a permanent name for Canadian whiskey worldwide. People love Windsor because of the festivals and events. Blues Fest Windsor is North America's 9th largest blues festival. Carousel of Nations, named 2nd favorite festival in Ontario and 5th in Canada, is a multicultural festival. Summerfest is the signature festival of Windsor, signifying the start of summer with the Ford fireworks presented by Target, celebrating Canada Day and Independence Day on the Detroit River. People love Windsor because of the closeness to Detroit, Michigan. You can cross the border. It's 2 kilometers across the Ambassador Bridge or the tunnel. To go see the Red Wings play, the Pistons, the Lions, go to the Detroit Zoo, or possibly work across the border and maintain your existence in Windsor. People love Windsor because of the post-secondary education. St. Clair College of Applied Arts and Technology is a college in Windsor. It was ranked as one of the top colleges in Ontario. Now, University of Windsor is a public research university. It is Canada's southernmost university. It has approximately 12,000 full-time and part-time undergrad students and 4,000 graduate students. People love Windsor because of the automotive industry. It is the Automotive Capital of Canada. Windsor Assembly Plant is a Canadian automobile factory in Windsor. The factory opened in 1928 and minivan production began in 1983. Windsor Assembly is Windsor's largest employer. The plant currently operates 2 shifts with over 4,000 employees. People love Windsor because of the Adventure Bay Family Water Park. Make a splash at Adventure Bay, southwestern Ontario's newest and wildest family water park. Soak up the fun with an ocean of awesome features. 10 water slides, flow rider surf simulator, wave pool, activity pool, lazy river inner tube, and more. People love Windsor because of the craft breweries. There are just so many to choose from. For example, the Banded Goose Brewing Company, Brew Microbrewery, Chapter 2 Brewing Company, Craft Heads Brewing, Cured Craft Brewing Company, Frank Brewing Company, GL Heritage Brewing Company, The Grove Brew House, Kingsville Brewery, Lot 10 Brewing Company, and many more. People love Windsor because of the cultural diversity. It is the 4th most diverse city in Canada. The city of Windsor welcomes people from all over the world, recognized as one of the most culturally diverse communities in Canada, where 27% of the population is foreign-born, and over 100 cultures are represented. Windsor has a strong ethno-cultural base as exhibited by its award-winning festival, Carousel of Nations, which takes place every summer. The reasons presented in this video are not all the reasons why people love Windsor. If you've got a reason why you love Windsor, pop it in the comment section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!